Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stan Store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an order bump into your Stan Store product? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to do an order bump anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to maximize your average order value. And by offering some sort of extra product at a discount at checkout that can increase your order values, whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan Store dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stan Store, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is going to be an upgraded version of Stan Store. If you have the basic plan, they don't have that option. You do need to have the higher plan. But as long as you have that, in order to set up your order bump, here on the left side, you're going to click on My Store. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see an image of your Stan Store along with all the products you're offering. So first, what you want to do is you want to go here to landing pages. Okay, so here are the offers that you have set up as landing pages. You can see that I'm selling this PDF taco recipe, and I'm selling it for $50. So the idea behind an order bump is when someone's checking out for another product, we're going to offer a discount on a completely separate product that's related. Kind of like when you go to McDonald's, if you just order a hamburger, they're going to ask if you want fries with that. This is going to be the fries. Generally, you want to offer it at a discount. So you can see I'm offering this at $50. So if somebody buys my course, like a cooking course, before they check out, I'm going to offer this not for $50. I'm going to let them know this is a one-time offer for $25 if they decide to upgrade and include my PDF taco recipe. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and duplicate the product that you want to give a discount on. So click on these three dots, and we're going to duplicate this product. Okay, now you can see we have two of them. So they're both for $50. So we're going to go ahead and edit this copy right here. So three dots, edit product, and I'm going to go ahead and delete copy. I'm going to type in discount now. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and look for anything we need to update. So everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and put discounted price right here, and we're going to go ahead and offer it for $25. Okay, so this is a landing page now for a $25 discount on my PDF taco. So this is not available to the public because this landing page is not going to show up on my Stan Store. So we're going to scroll to the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and publish it. Okay, now you can see we have an identical match, except for we add a discount now, and it's only $25. So now I'm going to go back to my Stan Store right here. Okay, here's an image of my Stan Store, and let's go ahead and go down to our International Food video course, and I'm going to click these three dots, and I'm going to click edit product. Okay, so here is my product, and what I'm going to do is up here on these menu, there's four options. Click on options. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and look for this one right here, order bump. Once you click in there, make sure you turn this on, enable order bump. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and choose our discounted product. So I'm going to open this up, and here is the product that we duplicated. We don't want to use this one. Well, that's up to you, because if you choose this one, it's going to offer it at $50, which is the same price for everyone. So there's not really an incentive. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to choose the discount. Okay, now if you look over here to the right, this is what it looks like when they're checking out for the International Food video course. And then right down here, you can see the order bump. One-time offer, get the PDF taco recipe now, discount now for just $25, $50 value. And all they're going to need to do is just check into that little box and then continue to check out. So what we're going to do now is scroll to the bottom and publish. Okay, now it's published. So anybody who goes to check out for this course, they're going to be offered my taco recipe a 50% discount. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an order bump in your Stan Store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.